Hi, it's Phil here. I'm here today to show you my Land Rover Freelander 2 TD4 SX 150 brake. 54,000 miles, 2 keys, 3 owners. In all, a very, very nice car. A couple of bits need sorting, but we're going to sort them. So, what we're going to do, start with the outside and then go on the inside. So it's the SX model, so it has the fog lights, it's got the parking sensors, as you can see. Looking in the roof, down the line of the car. Again, there's no bumper scuffs and so on and so forth. So it's you know, going to a supermarket and just gets caught. Cracking tyres on it, as you can see. Folding door mirrors. It's got a nick there, as you can see, which we're going to sort. Again, no bumper corner scratches, anything like that. It's a TD4 XS, you can see. Parking sensors on the rear. Taking the roof again. It's got a court there, which we'll do. There, I don't know what we're going to do with that. I think we'll leave that, but basically it's not worth doing. So there you have it. So as I said, what I'll do is I'll take you in the inside, so I'll see you in a second. Hi, it's Phil again. So what we're going to do now, as I said, is go into the inside. I'm going to start with the engine bay. Good look round. This is how it came in, so you can have a absolute cracking look. So that's the engine bay, the 2.2 150 brake horse. Lovely sweet engine. So we're going to driver's side door card now. So this is the SX model, so it's got all the toys, electric folding door mirrors, electric windows all the way around, central locking. It's got the upgraded Alpine stereo system. It has full leather, and just look at the bolsters, none of them have gone. They normally start to go. 2 keys with it, electric seats. It's got the factory mats with it. Again, just a nice little thing to see. It's got the sat nav, multifunction steering wheel. Got the foam prep on it, CD, heated seats, 6-speed manual. Just a nice all-round correct and proper. 54,000 miles. Just been serviced. It's not got an MOT yet, but will be MOT'd obviously, and it will have no advisories on it because we don't do advisories. Don't understand why they're there. If it's worn, it needs replacing. That's our attitude with it. Again, look at the carpets, the seats, central armrests. As you can see, it's headrests all the way around. Just a cracking piece of equipment. Again, nice to see that it's still there. Is the rear parcel shelf. It's got the power there for you. Spare wheel, all the tools, and the A-frame there. Again, it's not been used as a truck, or not been hardly used, because it's not really that damaged anywhere. And again, on the back, it's not been used as a van basically. Nice to see, because a lot of them are these days, the older they get. Again, passenger side rear door card, carpets, And the seats. Headlining. Passenger side front door card. Windows. Again, nice to see, because it's the SX model, so it's nigh on the top of the range. It's got electric seats, left and right, front. Got all the airbags and everything else that it needs. So it's just all nice, proper, correct. So there you have it. So 54,000 miles. It's 3 owners from new. Just been serviced. It'll be MOT'd with no advisories. If you need any further information on the car, please give me a call. My number is 07775 038 270. Give us a call. I'll talk you through the car. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope to hear from you soon.